Welcome back to another video. All right, November the 5th, Friday. It is the last week, sorry, not last week, last day of the week. And coming in today, I wanted to end the week trade well. Doesn't mean that I have to have a green day or not, or try to make everything back that I lost this week on Monday. But I just wanted to have a good trading day. Follow my plan, execute the way I'm supposed to, and try not to get into further trouble. So yeah, this week the market has been on fire. Well, the market has been on a tear. Has been on a tear. Look at this. This is the E-mini S&P futures. 4-hour chart here last week has just been like rallying up like no tomorrow. Earnings season coming, Fed day on this past Wednesday, and yeah, the market doesn't seem to give a crap about what's happening in the news, and buyers are clearly in control, and I don't know if it's almost euphoric or whatnot, but this has been amazing in terms of longer term traders. I mean, if you're swing trading or just investing in general, yeah, this has been a nice pop here in the markets here. All-time highs breaching the 4,700s in the E-mini S&P futures today and last night and today. So yeah, it's been tearing up. So today, what happened here? Today we gapped up in the overnight. We had a pretty nice gap up here. Right about a 15-point gap in the ES here, and we opened, we dropped lower, couldn't fill the gap, a weak push down, and it popped up past the open and started grinding up and impulsed up eventually. I was looking for a place to get long. I wanted it to, I was waiting for it to, not want it, but I was waiting for it to pull back here. Somewhere around here to get long, but it never really did. Continued grinding a little higher, and then it finally had this pullback here. I got in about 47.05, yeah, 05 and a half here, and yeah, it got 2 ticks away from my stop here. My stop was just shy of where the market went, and eventually it popped up higher. I got my first scale out here, 3 points, and then here again here at 11.25 here as well, near the high of the day. And I stepped away. My stop was at break even at that point. I had a runner here back up in the 30s somewhere here. I thought it would continue higher, but it didn't. It swept down, took out my runner, stopped me out to the tick, and then it kind of just couldn't make a higher high. And I got back to the screen, and I was not liking the price action for longs. So I just decided to wait and see what happens. It just continued to grind a little further for the next 45 minutes. And I felt like it was Friday, and relative volume started dropping off, and I made a call to kind of just call it an early weekend and walk away from the screens. And around 8:30 Pacific here, yeah, it impulsed down. I guess the buyers couldn't take control, and it was very sleepy here already. I thought it would just kind of just chop for the rest of the session, and maybe push a little higher at the end of the day. But it didn't. Buyers couldn't take control. Eventually, I guess there was long liquidations. Longs were liquidating, so it impulsed down here, pulled back to the VWAP, and boom, there was this drop here, probably a good 20-point drop almost. Yeah. Excuse me. Back into prior day's high here. Pretty nicely respected that level, and then just bounced and grinded. Push back up and just grinded kind of for the rest of the day, and some whippy price action here. So I wasn't around for this whole move here. It would have been nice. Pretty nice setups here structurally as well. So you can see it kind of impulse down and then popped up and sort of respected the IB low here. As well, there was a short for the IB stat as well. The IB stat was not done at that point when I stepped away. It was still open, so this would have been a nice catch here on the short. But that's how it is. You walk away and you get bored, you get mentally tired, and you walk away and decide to kind of just shut it off for the day, and then a move comes later on, and then you see relative volume just continue to increase. So that was a nice move. I wasn't there to catch it, so that's how it goes. But yeah, I think treating each day with a mindset of each trading day is its own individual trading day, and not letting what happened previous day affect your current day's trading is probably what I've learned the most this week. And I think I've managed fairly well this week. I ended the week I think down about 280 290 or so, but it was a recovery. I was initially down 900 the first day on Monday. Got back about 625 on Tuesday. Wednesday, I had no trades. That was FOMC day. It's too crazy. I didn't see anything that I could catch through the volatility. And then yesterday down 300, and then today up about 295. So end of the week about down about 290. So not a green week, but that's how it goes. I mean, these bull markets sometimes when the market gets you know kind of insane about going up, it's just hard to kind of sometimes cash things and ride it. There's no pullback, not much of a pullback here during the RTH sessions, so hard to catch and hold on, I guess, at least for me. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. Please subscribe and hit a like if you like these kind of videos and these recaps. More videos to come, and hope everyone has a good weekend, and I'll talk to you on the next one.